Dwarkesh. I'm from Sri Lanka. I've been here in Australia for 2 years, and I'm a current data analyst with a great passion for AI and data. Uh, I'm into a lot of data visualization as well. I've done a lot of internships, and for the GIofAI event, I got to know that through the LinkedIn platform, and I just wanted to come here and network with people and also learn about the cool AI agents. And they taught about multiple AI agents, and there was a hackathon as well. So the hackathon was really great, and it actually taught us how you can use the AI in the business industry and how you can transform that to perform multiple tasks. And I had participated in it, and we're still waiting for the results. And in case if I win the iPad, that'll be really good. But more than that, it's the learning that I wanted to come here, and it's been a great event. Yeah, the moment that stood out really well was the hackathon, because before the hackathon there was an AI agent workshop that Sandeep was teaching about, and I previously had a look about the AI agents before coming to the event, and I had a glance through, and that really helped me understand how you can implement the API keys into the AI agents, and that was really helpful. And the hackathon was really fast-paced and very competitive. I really enjoyed it. So I wanted to learn from the industry professionals. So obviously there were a lot of panelists here, and just wanted to understand how the data career is actually implemented in the professional industry. As a recent grad, I just wanted to make sure that I learn from the professionals on how the industry scope is, how the data scope is, and to eventually apply that in my career. Yeah, so there's always a side to the theory and the practical side of it. So theory is where you learn things from your uni, but unis really don't teach you how to actually apply that in the industry until you get the hands-on experience. So hackathons like this, I really appreciate GIofAI for conducting this hackathon, because that gives you a chance to put your hands dirty and just get on the laptop and start working on it. So that gives you the real world challenges. So yeah. So I would really say before coming to the event, have a research on what data is, because obviously you can't learn everything in one day, but if you get some sort of knowledge or some prerequisite knowledge that you have, that would really be helpful, and you can talk to a lot of people here, especially the panelists. So I'm looking forward to talking to the panelists as well after this event, so I can get more insights and probably speak to them and see if I can get a connection request and get some insights and advices from them. So it's the networking events that really get you to the places. So if you're not meeting the professionals, if you're not meeting the peers that are in the tech industry, you're not really learning what is actually happening out in the real world. So that's really helpful, that you have to come out and network, attend a lot of networking events. So I would say, end of the day, you learn only when you go out and enjoy the experience out there in the actual meetups. So it's really a good chance that you explore this when you have the chance. Definitely, I would definitely attend this event again. I'd be interested more in how deeply I can go with the AI agents, or if there's any cutting edge technology that I can get my hands on dirty. So if there's another event that's coming up, I'll definitely be up to it. Yep, looking forward to it.